DMK sources to CNN News 18 has revealed that in the consultative committee meeting today, External Affairs Minister Dr. S.J. Shankar told MPs that the Government of India is working on various mechanisms to draw the attention of Bangladesh authorities on the atrocities on the minorities in the neighboring nation. Now, the minister assured that MPs that this is being done at the highest level, and some MPs had raised their concerns about what Government of India was doing with regards to that. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Payal Mehta on this broadcast. Yes, Payal, over to you. Give us more detail of this particular meeting.
You know, Sharon, multiple MPs and multiple citizens have been concerned about the atrocities, especially on Hindus in the neighboring nation of Bangladesh. And that is one issue that the RSS has also been raising time and again as well. Having said that, Mr. Jaishankar was briefing a panel of MPs who were part of his consultative committee. He has, in fact, been able to assure them the government of India is as concerned as anybody else about the state of affairs in the neighboring nation. But we're given to understand that he also went on to tell them that, since there is not a formal government which is in place in Bangladesh, it's very, very, difficult to actually have a formal conversation with them. But having said that, all routes are being used to make sure that, the message is sent across to them. You also remember the moment Mr. Yunus had established himself as the advisor of the government of Bangladesh. Even then, when the Prime Minister had welcomed his coming to Bangladesh, and had also back then also spoken of the fact that it is important that Hindu minorities are protected in Bangladesh. So every attempt is being made is what has been conveyed by Mr. Jaishankar in as many words to all the members of the committee. And more than anything else, it was very, very important for our viewers to really understand that, this was a committee meeting which happened in a very cordial manner. No MPs, including the opposition MPs, came, with an attempt to run down the government of the day. And Mr. Jaishankar was, given a very patient hearing. In fact, no questions were asked on the whereabouts of Sheikh Hasina, which many were expecting would be asked of the government of India.
All right.